Hi guys, in this video you're going to learn exactly step by step how to download the Spotify app on your MacBook or Mac device. So first things first, you're going to go to the Google Chrome app or any other internet browser that you use and type in Spotify Mac download. If you don't do this, if you just go to the Spotify, if you just type in Spotify into your internet browser, it'll actually open up the player on your web, or it'll open up the web player in your browser. However, if you want to have the proper functionality of the app, type in Spotify Mac download. It'll come to this page right here, Mac download Spotify, and this is where you want to start downloading the Spotify app. Click this white button, and it's going to automatically start the download of the installer. In here, go to the file, open up the zip file, drag this across, double click on this file, and it's going to ask you if you want to open the file. Click open, and it's going to start downloading Spotify. Make sure that you do have a good internet connection for this, as if you do not, it will take a very long time. Okay, it's now installing Spotify. We're going to give it a little second to finish off installing. Okay, so you may have to enter your password to actually allow it to install correctly. Okay, Spotify should be starting to load on your MacBook. Let it load up. Okay. New window right here, the Spotify app. Basically, I'm going to log in right here. It's going to take you back to Google Chrome. In this case, basically, if you do not have an account with Spotify, go to this button right here and sign up for your Spotify account. You can type in your email or username, password. However, I have created my Spotify account with my Facebook page. So I'm going to go to this one right here and start typing in my details, my username and password. However, I'm going to blur this. Okay, now that it has connected, it's basically connected my Spotify account to my Facebook and logged in correctly. I can go to here, allow Spotify to connect to Spotify for our desktop, continue to the app, and it's going to open the Spotify app on your MacBook. Just give it a little second to open up correctly. And here we go. We have the Spotify app successfully downloaded on your MacBook or Mac device. You can now start downloading all the playlists, songs, albums, podcasts that you like. Okay, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. My name's Andrew, and in this video, if you've enjoyed it and it's been successful, please consider subscribing.